For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manns. Let's take a look at today's fastball XRV setups and how they played out. First one that triggered this morning, AM Antero Midstream Partners Limited. This one gave us a really easy entry, came down through the entry price from above, $26.80. Qualified, ticked back up again, took a while to get to 50%, and then really took its time getting up to $27.40, which was our initial target on it. Nice one, about 55 cents per share traded on AM this morning. The next one that was on the list for the day, WATT, Energist Corporation. This one opened, traded right up through the entry threshold, $20.16 all the way up to $20.70, which was the first pivot objective. It did make it up and through. Didn't give us that 21.16 magic number. Came back down. Pivot was the exit on that on the reversal move lower. So you can see here the one thing to take note of, my 1954 stop was a little bit too tight. If it would have come down right after the opening bell, it probably would have done what it did just a little bit later and wound up violating that stop. Had we put a stop down around that pivot line, it would have kept us in for the entire day. That's a neither here nor there since it never did that move, but I just want you to take a look at the proximity of the stop to where those actual bottoms were in place. That's why sometimes it's nice to reevaluate where we're putting those stop loss lines to make sure that we're not too tight on them. Finally, we had the XRV du jour. This was WES, Western Gas Partners. This came up and traded through the entry price right off the opening bell. Most of us missed that, popped back down through, qualified, came back up, tagged us in $46.40. $47.25 was the first target on this in the room. We very, very patiently this morning we're talking through this, trying to hold each other's hands and make sure that we all stuck with it and had the opportunity for an extension. When it got up to the pivot line, we moved the stop down just below this closing price on this bar right here. And then we can see the next bar opened and started ticking higher. And ultimately, we got to move all the way up to $48.13 from $46.40. That was the best of the fastball XRVs for the session. So there you have it. I hope you caught all of these. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. I hope you had a great trading day today and an even better one on deck for tomorrow. It's the best trader education anywhere, only from traderinsight.com.